Having white teeth can brighten your smile and improve your confidence. Luckily, you don't need to spend a lot of money on expensive products or professional treatments to whiten your teeth. You can whiten your teeth at home with some easy remedies. To know how to it, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. How to whiten teeth at home in 2 minutes. Apple cider vinegar. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar effectively kills bacteria, and the antibacterial properties clean your mouth and whiten your teeth naturally. Simply dilute ½ cup of apple cider vinegar with some water, and swish it around in your mouth for 2 minutes. After that, rinse your mouth with plain water. Strawberries. Whitening teeth with strawberry is a natural remedy that has been made popular by celebrities. To make this remedy, smash up a fresh strawberry and combine it with baking soda. Brush the mixture on your teeth as usual. The malic acid found in strawberries will remove discoloration on your teeth, while the baking soda will buff away stains. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent that also kills bacteria in your mouth. Combine 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and gently brush your teeth with the mixture. Remember, limit the use of this homemade paste to a few times per week, as overuse can erode your tooth enamel. Baking soda. Mix ½ teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of lemon juice or water. Spread the mixture over your teeth using your finger or a toothbrush. Let it sit on your teeth for 2 minutes, and then brush your teeth like you normally would. Now rinse your mouth and you're finished. Repeat every other day for the best results. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it for your healthy lifestyle collection. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.